everyone. Welcome to English Coffee Chat. I'm Emily.
And I'm Jack. Grab your coffee, tea, or whatever you love, and let's chat about English today.
Jack, do you know what people ask me all the time?
What's that?
They say, Emily, I understand English when I listen. I can read books, but speaking, that's so hard.
Oh, yes. I hear this every day. It's like your brain knows English, but your mouth says, nope, not today.
Exactly. So today, we're going to talk about training your brain and your mouth to speak English naturally.
Think of it like going to the gym, but for your English.
Ooh, I like that. English gym. Let's start.
So, Emily, why do you think speaking is harder than listening or reading?
Well, when you listen, your ears do the work. When you read, your eyes do the work. But speaking, your whole mouth needs to move in new ways.
That's true. Our mouths are used to speaking our first language. English sounds are different.
Right. For example, the th sound. Try saying thank you.
Thank you. See? Your tongue goes between your teeth. That's not natural for many languages.
Exactly. So we need to train our mouths, just like training for sports.
Okay, so how do we train our mouths? I want to know.
First technique, it's called shadowing.
Shadowing? Like following someone's shadow?
Yes, you listen to someone speak English and you repeat right after them, like an echo.
Oh, so if I say, hello, how are you today?
You say, hello, how are you today? Copy my voice, my rhythm, everything.
That sounds fun. Where can people practice this?
YouTube videos, podcasts like ours, movies, TV shows, just press pause and repeat.
Love it. What's the second technique?
Repeat simple phrases every day. Every single day.
Give me examples.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. I can do it. Good morning. Simple, right?
Very simple. But why simple phrases?
Because your mouth needs to remember them, like muscle memory. Say them 10 times each morning.
So if I say, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, my mouth learns the pattern.
Exactly. And say them with feeling. If you're happy, say, I'm ready, with energy.
I'm ready.
Perfect. Now here's a fun one. Talk to yourself.
Wait, talk to myself? People will think I'm crazy.
Do it at home, in your room. Describe what you're doing in English.
Like, I'm making coffee. The coffee smells good. Now I'm drinking it.
Yes, exactly. No one is there to judge you. It's your practice time.
I actually do this. Sometimes I narrate my life like a movie. Jack walks to the kitchen. He opens the fridge. Oh no, no milk.
That's perfect. You're training your mouth to speak naturally.
Okay, mouths are training. Now, brains. How do we think in English?
This is big, Jack. Most people translate in their heads. First language, English. That's slow.
So we need to think directly in English.
Yes, but start small. When you see water, think water, not your language word first.
Ah, so I see a dog, I think dog. I feel hungry, I think I'm hungry.
Perfect. Use simple words you already know. Don't stress about complex ideas yet.
What about when we don't know a word?
Use the words you do know. Describe it. If you forget umbrella, say the thing for rain.
Ah, that's smart. Communication is more important than perfect words.
Exactly. And here's a secret. Your brain follows your mouth.
Wait, explain that.
When you speak, even if it's difficult, your brain works harder. It learns faster. Speaking is learning.
Whoa, so by speaking more, I actually learn faster?
Yes, don't wait to be perfect. Speak now and your brain will catch up.
So, Emily, people are busy. How can they practice every day?
Small habits. Just 5 minutes a day is powerful.
Really? Only 5 minutes?
5 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. It's about consistency.
What can people do in 5 minutes?
Shadow one YouTube video. Repeat 5 simple phrases. Talk to yourself while brushing your teeth.
Ooh, brushing teeth time. I am brushing my teeth. The toothpaste is minty. Almost done.
Perfect. Also, change your phone to English.
Yes, and watch short videos in English, even with subtitles.
Listen to English music. Read memes in English.
Memes are great. You learn real expressions people use.
Exactly. Surround yourself with English every day. It becomes natural.
Emily, many people are shy about their accent. What do you tell them?
I say your accent is beautiful. It shows where you're from.
Yes, the goal isn't to sound like a native speaker. The goal is communication.
If people understand you, you win. That's it.
I have a student from Japan, another from Brazil, another from France. All different accents, all speak English well.
Exactly. Be proud of your voice. When you speak, you're being brave.
And the more confident you feel, the more you speak. And the more you speak,
The better you get. It's a wonderful cycle.
Wow, Emily, this was such a great chat. Let's review quickly.
Yes, number 1, train your mouth with shadowing and repetition.
Number 2, talk to yourself. Describe your day.
Number 3, think in English. Start with simple words.
Number 4, practice every day, even just 5 minutes.
And number 5, be proud of your voice. Your accent is you.
Remember, everyone, your brain will follow your mouth. Just start speaking.
Before we go, we have a fun quiz for you. Get your paper ready.
And remember to like, subscribe, and share English Coffee Chat with your friends.
Comment below what's one phrase you'll start saying every day.
Okay, quiz time. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Question 1. Choose the correct sentence. A. I am make coffee now. B. I am making coffee now. C. I am making coffee now.
Answer B. I am making coffee now. Present continuous uses am, is, are, plus verb ing. Question 2. Fill in the blank. Yesterday, I blank to the store. A. Go. B. Went. C. Going.
Answer B. Went. Yesterday is past, so we use past simple went.
Question 3. Which is correct? A. She don't like coffee. B. She doesn't likes coffee. C. She doesn't like coffee.
Answer C. She doesn't like coffee. Third person singular, doesn't plus base verb.
Question 4. Put the words in order. Every, I, English, day, practice. A. I practice English every day. B. Every day I English practice. C. I English practice every day.
Answer A. I practice English every day. Subject plus verb plus object plus time expression.
Question 5. Choose the correct form. My mouth blank to remember the words. A. Need. B. Needs. C. Needing.
Answer B. Needs. Mouth is singular. He, she, it. Add S to verb.
Question 6. Someone says, "How are you?" What's the best response? A. I have 25 years old. B. I'm fine. Thank you. How about you? C. Yes, I am.
Answer B. I'm fine, thank you. How about you? This is polite and continues the conversation.
Question 7. You didn't understand something. What should you say? A. What? B. I don't understand. Can you repeat, please? C. Say again.
Answer B. I don't understand. Can you repeat, please? This is polite and clear.
Question 8. You want to order coffee. Which is most natural? A. Give me coffee. B. I want coffee. C. Can I have a coffee, please?
Answer C. Can I have a coffee, please? Can I have is polite in English.
Question 9. Your friend helped you. What do you say? A. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. B. Thanks you very much. C. I am thanking you.
Answer A. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Natural way to show gratitude in English.
Question 10. Someone speaks too fast. What can you say? A. You are too fast. B. Could you speak a bit more slowly, please? C. Speak slow.
Answer B. Could you speak a bit more slowly, please? Polite way to ask someone to slow down.
How did you do? Count your correct answers.
10 correct. You're a superstar.
8 to 9 correct. Excellent work.
6 to 7 correct. Good job. Keep practicing.
4 to 5 correct. You're learning. Don't stop.
0 to 3 correct. No problem. Watch the video again.
Remember, mistakes are how we learn.
Practice these questions with friends.
Thanks for joining English Coffee Chat today.
See you next time. Keep speaking.
Bye-bye.
Bye.